Okay, welcome to the second part of a video tutorial where we are trying to use Fast Canyon Creator and World Machine. Now we are going to create this function starting from 0. We need an input, so let's go to the Generator tab and choose File Input because we need the file created in Vue. Double click, load, and choose steering file. Okay. Now we need a clamp filter to have more control on the terrain attitude. So go on the filter tab. The first one is the clamp filter. Connect the filter with the file input, and you can play with the attitude. You can see here on your preview window. Okay, something like this. It's quite good. Normalize input. Okay. Now we are going to follow this direction, and we need an erosion node, the first one. Connect it here. I've used not a standard erosion because I'd like to see more channels, so I select the channeled erosion with a high duration, but without geological time enchantment enable. That this is just a multiplier of the base duration. Knock hardness a little bit more. Okay, and click OK. Now I'd like to see the results, so click the yellow button to process just the nodes you need to achieve this result. Okay. Now on the 3D preview you can see this very nice flow. This is a very beautiful erosion. Okay. Now we need a cost erosion. So on the natural tab, the last one is cost erosion. Okay, connect the input with the erosion previous node. Okay, and you can change, for example, the water level. You can see here the result, or the beach sides, or the transition if you want it to smooth or cliffs. Anyway, I link this one, just it is in the previous work. So now we are going to do the same, and here on top I use the super erosion macro by Quad Spinner. If you don't have this macro, you can use another erosion node, but with powerful erosion settings. So device, macro from library, super erosion by Quad Spinner load, and connect the output. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I'd like to show you the result of the super erosion macro. Okay, I've processed the super erosion macro and watch in 3D preview the results. Okay, you can see this is a great function too. Another great stuff by the Expandy. Now we are going to select this one or this one in to create just one terrain according to this layout generator. This will be the mask for the chosen node that will select this output or this output using this mask generated by the layout generator. So we need a layout generator. Generator tab, the first one is the layout generator. Okay. Now let's go inside the layout generator. This square is our terrain. You can create, for example, a box, and you can see here the result. Right click to exit from the edit mode, double click, and you can choose the height, kind of a follow. If the follow starting from the edge of the geometry is outwards or inwards, you can choose many things. And you can create, for example, even polygons. And you can use this kind of geometrical terrain to create mask, to control the distribution of a fractal, or to create rivers, and so on. Now we are going to create a simple circle. Less follow. Oh, sorry. Okay. Position this one here, and come back to the device view. So now we need the combiner, the chooser node. In the combiner tab, you can see the first one is the chooser, and we are going to select as input A the output of a super erosion macro, and as input B the coastal erosion output. And this one will be the mask, the control. Now you can see in the preview that here there is this kind of output, and here there is this kind of output. Here there is the circle of the layout generator. Modifying the circle position or dimension, the mask will change, of course, and the result even will change. I'm sorry. And now it's done. Just select the output, the second one, height output, click OK, primary output here, and build the terrain. See you when the process will be finished. Okay, the process is finished, and now we are going to see the result in the 3D view. And it's done. Here there is this soft erosion of the coast erosion. You can imagine the water here. And what beautiful effect you can achieve with the transparency of the water. And here you can see the power of the erosion of what's been okay, it's done. This is a very beautiful terrain, and if you like to see this, some results, some image realized with this terrain, I show you. For example, this one, I added the water. You can see the transparency here that creates this beautiful, this very nice effect. There is this ecosystem of trees, and these houses by Luca Ardolfi, but I populated using the manual brush. This one I created this little village with this little sheep and very rocky and desert landscape here on the right. And this one, you can see this kind of rocks generated by the quad spinner super erosion that are visible through the water, the ecosystem and the texture that create this kind of very wonderful, very beautiful sea landscape. Okay, thank you for watching this video tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and have fun.